sister is going nuts. And today, fidget spinners are taking all over the world. Cause look at right there, just like, just like really. But I'm on level 6. You should have seen before. I got on the top, like probably like top 5. So let's get into this. And I want you to subscribe to my homies, Chris and Anthony, and yeah, they're like Dunktown. Subscribe to him, and I'm pretty sure I'm not sure. It's like I don't know, but like go check out that channel. I'll leave in the other one in the description. I'll see if I can try, but like I never do. Okay, so let's do this. You wanna go? Oh my! And so how you play this game is like you have to get to the top 10. Blah blah blah. It's just like a Gario but with fidget spinners. Oh my gosh! I do not want to die. Don't kill me! No, you already killed me. So yeah. A random stranger, and I just died again. Wow, these people are spawn killing. They are savage spawn killers. You weirdos! I will get you one day. Oi, mommy. Say hi to the world.
Hola.
Oh my gosh. There is something wrong with you, Mom. Big problems. You already ruined my video. Now I gotta restart. Just kidding. Thank you, Mommy, for cleaning up. Okay, so like I was saying, like you have to get to the top 10, and you see on the right corner, you see on the corner how there's like RPM. That means like like your math, basically. Well, that's what I at least think it is. Well, if you want to go check it out, just check on Jelly's channel, Spinzio. I'm so bad at this game already. Look how bad I am. Well, oh, you want to go, bro? You want to go? Oh, never mind. I was just kidding, bro. Let's just go away, okay? Let's go. I know. Answer the FaceTime call and bring him to me. And guys, the guy I'm talking to is Noah. So yeah, man. Okay, so like I was saying, let's get to the video. And right now, Noah's Noah, I'm doing a YouTube video.
Yeah?
I'm doing a YouTube video. So hey, here's my friend.
People on YouTube.
There's my friend Noah right there. He's a pro. Well, dude, I'm doing a video of Spinzio.
Of what?
Spinzio. You wanna play?
What?
Spinzio.
Wait, what?
Spinzio.
Spinzio? Okay.
Yeah. And don't embarrass me in front of the whole entire world.
You said that to the whole entire world.
What? Oh yeah, I know. That's not embarrassing. My mom was in here, but that was embarrassing still. And if you guys want to go check out my Musical.ly channel, go ahead. It's it's like the same thing as my YouTube channel. So go check that out. I would be very happy.
How do you spell Spinzio?
SPINZ a period.
Period and IO?
Yes. There we go. Ooh, I gotta kill this guy. Skill. You right there. Oh no, there's so many people. No, no, it died. I'm never gonna make it to that top 5. Oh no, I died again. Fudge, fudge, fudgy, fudgy, fudge, fudge monkeys.
So, honey, when you get the opportunity later, let's go on the website and see.
Oh my God!
So how do you play this?
What?
How do you play this?
It's just like a Gario.
Wait.
Okay.
I'm invisible.
No, you're not.
No, I am. You want to see?
No. You're
Look at this.
embarrassing me. Wow. Just wow.
Well,
Oh, darn, the game crashed.
oh
Wait,
my
no,
God.
it's just lacking.
What just happened?
You
Got
died.
bigger for some reason.
You died. That's what happened. There's no crying in the club. Hey, but okay, so. Oh no, don't try to kill me. No, don't. Dude, wait, Noah, I want to try to find you. What's your name?
Wait, what's your name?
Programmer Time 24.
You're not on this.
I know, but I'm not in the top 10, that's all.
Ah! Whoa. Just literally just press. Oh my gosh! So if you
Yes, I got some balls. LOL balls.
oh my gosh, this guy's oh my god.
You know you can run
Ow.
just like
I
by
want to
clicking
play
the mouse.
This is a fun game and all, but I don't want to play this.
But don't play assassin. I don't want you to have a higher level than me.
I think I am a higher level.
What level are you on?
Double for 37.
40.
Nice.
Oh
You
no.
want to play?
No, I'm doing a video. Don't play. This video's gonna be over in like just a minute. Oh no, I died. Okay, you know what? See you YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video. And my friend just said bye, so peace out, home.